You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly. The top word here in English is pronounced as vehement. It comes from French vehement, and in French the H is silent. Vehement, so it's not vehement or vehement. Vehement, stress on the first syllable, vehement. The bottom word is similarly vehemently, stress on the first syllable, vehemently, vehemently, vehement, vehemently. Can you pronounce those correctly now? I'm sure you can. Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.